Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Previously, we were expecting that the price action may go for another harmonic move, like it had been forming the different harmonic moves. Here it formed a garlic pattern, and after that it formed another bullish shark move and reverse bullish, and formed another bullish shark and reverse bullish. And here we were expecting that maybe the price action will again form another bullish shark, because all the legs were driven perfectly as required for the bullish shark up to this C leg. However, in my last video I told you that there is another expected rising wedge pattern formation is possible, because here we have several touches at the resistance, and the price action has found this resistance and uptrend line. And here we have only two touches, and if the price action will be reverse bullish from here, then a rising wedge pattern will be confirmed. Now, if I remove this pattern tool from here, then we can see that a clear rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart is appeared. That is the bearish reversal pattern. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And here I am also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis you will find here. Okay, first of all, I want to show you this chart that the price action has confirmed a rising wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. That is the bearish reversal pattern considered among the traders community. Therefore, it is possible that the price action will break down the support. However, if we take a look at the bigger time frame, not the bigger time frame, if we involve more candlesticks in this chart, and we can see that these wicks of the candlesticks are moving to the downside. And if we connect all these wicks of the candlesticks like this, and to the upside we have a resistance as well, like here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5 touches, and here we have 6 touch. And if we pull this trend line here and place it here, then we can see that on the bigger time frame, or after involving more candlesticks, we have another falling wedge pattern as well. And at this time the price action is breaking out the resistance of the falling wedge and moving towards another resistance of the smaller rising wedge pattern. Therefore, it is possible that indeed it is this rising wedge pattern is a bearish reversal pattern, but it can also break out. The price action can also break out the resistance of this pattern, because on the bigger time frame, after involving more candlesticks, we are having a breakout from a falling wedge pattern as well. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 touches at the resistance, even though we have a big gap here, but we have several touches at the support as well. We have a down sloping support, and the price action is well bounced by this support, this down sloping support, and moved to the upside, broke out the resistance, and moving towards the upside from here. Now, if the price action will break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern, then our next target, according to this pattern, according to this bigger falling wedge, is approximately at $40,000. Let me show you. I'm just going to place the trend line here, and this is, you can see, approximately at $41,000. We have this a tail of the falling wedge, and this can be our next target. However, if the price action will break down, it will be rejected by this resistance, then it can move to the downside, and our next target can be the tail of this rising wedge. That is at approximately $28,800. And on the bigger time frame, we can see that we have a very strong support zone from $31,000 to $28,800, and we are not even having the closing even on the daily time frame chart as well. Even below $31,000. You can see whenever the price action is moving to the downside, let me place this trend line here at $31,000. And we can see whenever the price action is moving close to this $31,000, we are having very weak bearish candlesticks. The wicks of the candlesticks are telling us that bears are very, very weak at this level. And then we'll place another trend line at $28,800. And this is the support zone that we have. Sometimes the price action is hitting a spike up to this level. That is a very strong support. You can see previously on the long term, if we take a look at the long term, then here, after this rally, the price action found a support here at $28,800 and moved all the way upside. And again, it is retesting the same support. Therefore, the price action is not able to break out this support so far. And if I place the volume profile again to show you the trader's interest that I have been showing you in my several previous videos as well. This is the volume profile indicator, very, very useful to determine the trader's interest, the volume profile based trader's interest to the downside or to the upside. For example, I'm just going to place this from here when the price action first spiked at $30,000 here to this current candlestick, then we can see that we have a very weak interest of the traders so far in this level, and to the upside we have a very weak interest of the traders at this level. And here we have the point of control of the volume profile. This red line is the point of control. Therefore, whenever the price action is moving up or down, it is always moving back to this point of control, because this is the point of control of this volume profile. And now the price action is again reached very close to this point of control, and it can move up to this level that is approximately at $38,000. However, we have, let me replace this trend line at the most strongest resistance at this time. That is at $39,500 we have. That is above this level, and here we also we can see that we have a very, very weak interest of the traders according to this volume profile. And so far, whenever the price action is hitting this resistance, it is getting rejected again and again. Here the price action for a while broke out this $39,500 resistance, but while moving back in and retesting this previous resistance as a support, it was failed and moved down, and again reached at $28,600 or $800 here on this candlestick. So this is really very strong resistance, but after this breakout, we can expect that the price action may break out this resistance of this smaller rising wedge pattern, and then it can also hit this resistance of this $39,500. That is very close to this tail of the triangle of this big falling wedge pattern. That is our next target, approximately at $41,000 as per the target of this falling wedge pattern. So we have two hurdles, two resistance now. The price action needs to break them out. One is this resistance of the rising wedge that is formed here. We can see that we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 touches here at the resistance. And then we have very strong resistance at $39,500. Once the price action will be able to break out these two resistance levels, then the price action can start a very massive move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I have also shared the link in the video description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.